Hi. Okay, so on this hike, again, this was probably later spring. I think this was around probably late April, early May, and I hiked Hurricane Fire Tower. I did do it the northern approach, so this is also if you go via the northern approach. You'll be in the parking lot where you can also do Big and Little Crow. Um, I believe the northern approach is shorter than the southern approach, and the southern approach, you so how you'll get to the southern approach is you'll be on Route 73, and then you turn before where you turn for the northern approach. I'm not exactly sure, um, but it's right off like a main road if you do it the southern approach. And if you do it the southern approach, I think it's probably like maybe half a mile less, maybe a mile less. Um, but yeah, really, I've done both approaches, and both of them seemed pretty comparable. I didn't see really any big difference between the two of them. I think here is probably we're probably still like halfway, maybe a little less, getting to the top. Um, yeah, I love Hurricane. I think it's such a great mountain. It has incredible views, because it's a fire tower. I think it's pretty tall too. I'm not sure of the exact height, but it's it's one of the taller ones. I mean, it's not a high peak, but it is one of the taller mountains in the region of Keene and Lake Placid. And yeah, I really love it. And if you go up the fire tower, obviously you get an even better view, but you still get a view even if you don't go up the fire tower. And then right here, oh, this is near the top. So near the top, as you can see, there will be some like rocks you gotta climb up, but it's very doable. It's nothing you can't handle. And then the summit is really wide and open. That's what I really like about it is the summit is so open, like an open rock kind of summit. And it's just there's so much space. You really like if you're somebody that likes to have your own space at the summit and not be surrounded by people, then you'll really like the summit. And there's plenty of places too, like before the summit, that you can stop and again still enjoy incredible views. Like right here is like right before, not the actual summit, but like before nice little places that you'll see that you can start, you know, finding your own space to like enjoy lunch or just enjoy the views in general. So yeah, so the summit videos are coming up right after this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. Okay, so this is not the actual summit. This is again like a little pull-off area, pretty close to the summit where, I mean, look at this view. It's gorgeous. And I don't know, but I'm looking at it now and it looks like that's either sunset or sunrise. And it's neither. It's like I think we hiked this. It was early in the morning, but it was nowhere near sunrise. This is probably like maybe 11 a.m., maybe 10 or 11 a.m. Like it's pretty it's like afternoon time, so it's right in the middle of the day, but it looks like it's sunset. I don't know, maybe it's just the video quality, but I don't know if you can hear it, but it's really windy up here, so that's why we just decided to not go to the full like fire tower because we still got our views, and the fire tower was literally just a couple steps beyond. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Okay, so here we are at another mountain. This is Big Crow, which if you hike Hurricane via the northern approach, you will be in the same, this is from the same parking lot. We did hike these on separate days. This day, Big Crow, when we did Big Crow, it was a little earlier than when we hiked Hurricane. So it was really only like a couple weeks difference, and you can tell like a couple weeks makes actually quite a big difference in the Adirondacks, whether if there's snow or not. But yeah, this I really like Big Crow. If you are new to hiking, I feel like this is a great introduction. It is kind of steep at the top, but again, it's a great intro to hiking. So I think it's a good like way to show you that hikes aren't like just flat. You know, they actually have steepness, and it's not that steep for that long, so you're not going to hate hiking after this one. And it's not that long. I think it's about a mile and a half total, like round trip. You can go to Little Crow, and I've done that before, but I will say you really want to download all trails or follow some sort of map because I don't know if they redid it since I've been there, but it's super hard to follow and easy to get lost going to Little Crow. So yeah, just be aware of that if you try to tackle it on. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.